Hi everybody, just wanted to give you a quick video here on the Mamey fruit that I got from the tree, my Key West plantain tree. This thing weighs like probably 2 or 3 pounds and it's really delicious. If you've never had Mamey, it's probably my favorite fruit. I mean, there's a lot of good ones, so custard apple, sugar apples, mangoes. I mean, there's a ton of really great tropical fruits, but Mamey is right up there for me. I would say it's my favorite, and the trees give you a lot of food with each fruit, and it's very creamy and easy to eat. Um, it's got a large seed, sometimes more than one seed in the middle, and you can see right here, kind of like in the palm of my hand, how the size of it. The magañas tend to be a lot bigger, though some of them are around this size as well. And they're like the earlier mameys, but magaña and Key West are like the most popular ones. Also Pace, which is from Lara Farms. It's a really good one. And those are the three I have here in my yard. And the tree is actually from this tree right here, which you can see right here. It's got a bunch of little mameys, and it's got a few other big ones that'll be ready right up there to eat this year. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe if you like it, and enjoy your mamey. It's a really great tasting fruit. If you've never had it, try to get some. And I'm gonna put a link underneath for Julian at Lara Farms. They do sell mameys. They can ship them to you. So I would try them for sure. If you've never tried them, they're really good. All right, guys. God bless. Thanks.